How to fix TikTok? Your account was permanently banned due to the multiple violations of community guidelines issue. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have received a message saying that your TikTok account was banned, let's explore what that means and how to appeal. TikTok uses a strike system. Repeat violations lead to strikes. Banning can immediate for severe violations like harassment or child safety content, while less severe ones will accumulate over time. Some strikes expire after 90 days of good behavior. That means if you have cleaned up your act, strikes might clear on their own. However, if you believe that a ban was a mistake, you can appeal it to the TikTok. For this, you have to open the ban notification that you have received. There you will see the appeal button. After that, you can follow the on-screen instructions. Or else you can also report the problem. For this, go to settings and privacy, tap on report a problem, tap on account recovery, and then mention how your account was mistakenly banned. This way, you can get access and get back your account. However, it might take 2 to 3 business days for the TikTok support team to contact you back and review your case. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.